How y'all doing?
How you got the drone, bro?
Hey, yo, man.
This is the third year we've done this, and it gets better every time, man. So we really appreciate it. I know a lot of you guys travel from PA, New York, up top, so consider taking the time, and we really appreciate it. This is right? It's going to be
third year, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Looking forward to something recognized.
How you doing, bro?
Let's all walk out of here. We got anything going on, so let's all walk out of here. Let's have a good time. It's a big community moment for a lot of us, a lot of family, a lot of friends here. So this means a lot to me. So thank you guys for coming out. We'll talk about the rules first, but the special part about this summer is we've been able to, with all the donations you guys have done, start a scholarship fund for my father's name. This past summer. And a lot of you guys in here know my boss, and he was all about youth, right? He was all about giving back, going forward, continuing coaching, being a mentor. And it's special today because we're actually going to give out our 5th scholarship to someone here today. I had the pleasure of meeting her today. I talked to her parents the other day, and what we look for when we look to give out scholarships is someone that impacts the youth, someone that impacts the community. It's an upstanding person. And when I asked and talked to people in the community about who in the Hillsborough area is worthy of this award, about 5 different people all said one name, and they all said it for one reason. So, Miss Amy Rochelle, if you can come up here for me. Brag about it a little bit. So, 1,000 points for our Hillsborough this past year. First team all conference, first team all area. Going to junior university next year for basketball as well. And you're just doing a hell of a job, like I said. When I spoke to everyone, I asked everyone different questions, and they all gave different reasons why you should be here. So I think that says a lot about you. It says a lot about your parents and all your family for doing a really good job. And just keep having fun, keep going forward. So, how we like to run it, we have 10-minute games, we have 4 courts, each half court is its own respective court. We go 10-minute games, first couple rounds can be stopped by the last minute, semi-final to final rounds can be stopped by the last 2 minutes. Anything after 6 fouls, it's going to be 1 shot, change possession. Anything after 10 fouls, it's going to be 2 shots, to keep possession. Like I said, let's keep it light. You're going to use the whole court space before. Let's have some fun. So we're going to bring up the course and teams quick. Alright, so court 1 right here, we have 2 for $1 against Duke Elite. Court number 2 right here, we have the Boy Guys against the Lions. Court 3, which is the court closest to me on the other court, Philly Dogs against Scott. And then court 4, the far court, we have Casey's Loaded against Berkeley Balls for the first round. Alright, we'll announce the next round after that, and let's get going. Thank you.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Mikey Will here. I'm behind the cam. And I just want to let you know this tournament is for a great cause, you know what I'm saying? They've been doing a lot of scholarship, giving them out, you know what I mean? Rest in peace, Larry Smith. Great guy, great coach, great father. I love coming to do this event. Definitely means a lot more to me because I know them personally, had me want to step my game up as a hooper back when I was a young squirt, you know what I'm saying? And all these other guys are so good. But when that's not enough of that though. This is about this crazy tournament. This 3v3, the best players from all over a couple states, like the tri-state area. I don't know if you guys know what that is. New York. I don't even know what that is. New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, I think. But yeah. Enough of that. It's just like, it's really crazy though. Everyone has such good skills. Like if you put together like a little like a little team for fun and you don't really play, like these kids are gonna outscore you, outshoot you, dunk on you, everything is possible. Like there's people cooking up for no reason, just because they can. It's tough, man. It's tough out here. A lot of people got really good at shooting. I really enjoy coming out here. I don't know if I said that before. I probably did. I'm gonna say it again. It's awesome. Just seeing all these different skill levels of talent.
Yeah, I came as a fan today. I'm not gonna get smoked out, bro. I did my thing in the morning. Now I'm here as a fan, bro. Bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. People have gotten annihilated that like thought they could hoop. There's kids here that have played with college teams, like just all over. These kids that just grew up playing where they play, you know what I'm saying? They just love the game. I love it too. But I'm gonna stop talking so much. I'm gonna just let y'all just vibe out to the smoothest highlight tape ever. And maybe you guys get to come see the next one or participate and donate to a good cause, you know what I'm saying? So, for real, it's cool out here.
Scene. I ain't right back, I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got
Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how
Oh, step back. Yo, any ball. I like that.
With 2 game winners. Free pair, you know what I'm saying? Nike gift card. That's what happens when you lose the best team in the league.
Oh yeah.
It's money.
Oh yeah.
You feel me?
Oh yeah.
That was alright. It's your boy Jamel Howard. Make sure you catch me on Power Season 4. Make sure you catch me on Marvel Luke Cage Season 1. Make sure you watch The First Purge. You know it's your boy.
Great. I'll take it though.
That was great.
Oh no, I'm just taking a video. You got it? Hop in, hop in.